night long. Maybe we'd have got a vodka lemonade. We show the cool kids how to be the youth of today. We jump the fence and play in Mr. Brogan's pool. He'd call the police and we hide behind the school. We spent hours throwing stones into the sea. They were the best days of my life, I promise thee. Oh, I could be a saint, while you would be the sinner. My mother used to pound and I did white. Home for dinner. Oh, my darling, how I miss you to the day. I'd give my everything to see your face again. Oh, I'm so sorry, I've been distant in the past. I've written tons of letters and it ended in the trash. Oh, my darling, how I miss you to the day. I'd give my everything to see your face again, oh, my friend. We fooled around when we got to 22. I remember falling so in love with you. But your parents packed your bags and moved away. Your father got a job in the Empire State. Oh, how I wish you stood your ground and stayed behind. I've loved and I've loved.
That's really cool, dude. That used to be freaking wide open. What the heck freaking happened? Used to be a nice path through here. There's a fresh shell. You know what? Somebody dropped that freaking shell. That's a good freaking shell. It's a 12 gauge. Someone dropped some freaking ammo back here. That red one looks like someone must have been a kid going through here. There's another fresh one. There's another fresh one. Somebody walked back here. Dropped a whole bunch of nice freaking ammo. There's another one. Someone was dropping their ammo. That's for sure. Ow, freaking sticker. You freaking kidding me? Here comes the fun part. Getting across this creek. Well, these boots are supposed to be waterproof. I guess we'll find out, won't we? These rocks are all freaking slippery. Well, just a minute. Wet feet, they aren't waterproof. No, it's supposed to be freaking waterproof. So far, my feet feel dry. Alright. Yeah, my feet are still dry. That's good. So they're supposed to be waterproof. That's one way to put them to the test. About freaking time. Whew. Finally, that's a beautiful cockbird too. I was just getting ready to freaking leave. About time. That was instant kill shot too. Oh, those are the best. What a beautiful cockbird. Let me just make sure it's dead. Hey, that was perfect timing. That was definitely an instant kill shot. All right. All right. Today is October 31st, 2019. I was just getting to leave, and I've been out here for hours, man, walking. The only hunter out. I haven't run into a single hunter, and it's starting to rain. I don't know if you can see it, but it's starting to rain pretty good. So I said, you know what, the heck with it. I'm going to go back to the truck and head home. And on the way out, this bird ran right out in front of me. I couldn't ask for a better shot. I got him on the first shot, instant kill shot. First pheasant of 2019. Real happy with that. I was just getting ready to quit too, man. That was perfect timing. I'm happy. If I find one more, it'd be fantastic. Now I'm happy. I hate walking out empty-handed. I mean, I'm always glad I walk home safe and sound. That's number one. Safety's first. But it's so much better when you walk out with at least one game in your pouch. It makes for a really good hunting day. This is good eating food right here. So, all right. Maybe I'll get one more out on the way out yet. If not, then I'll be back out here tomorrow and Saturday. All right. That's freaking awesome. Now I'm a happy camper. Wow. Now the question is, should I stay or leave? I don't know. That almost makes me want to stay. You know what I think we're gonna do? I don't know where he came from, but I think we're gonna stick it out. Now, where's that shell at? There we go. Nope, that ain't it. Where'd my shell go? Hey, I got that on video too, which is freaking awesome. I don't know where my empty shell got to. Well, I would like to pick it up and take it home. I don't like leaving trash away. I don't know where it flew to. I don't see. I know it's yellow. I have no clue where that freaking shell went. Well, it is what it is. Maybe I'll find a way back out, but you know what? I think I'm gonna stick it out. I was gonna leave, but now I know that there's birds over here. I'm gonna try and get a second one. It's freaking awesome. Thank you, Jesus. Finally made it worth walking all those fields. Man, that has me real happy. Finally. That was definitely a gift from God. Thank you, Jesus. That bird walked right out in front of me. I mean, the chances of that are so rare. When I first got here, I spooked too way off in the distance. I couldn't get close to him. This one walked right out in front of me. You talk about the Lord delivering a bird right into your hands. That was it right there. Thank you, Jesus. That wasn't no coincidence. No way. Too many years experience to know that's not a coincidence. That's a gift. A gift from the living God. Thank you, Jesus. I know how easy those birds spook. Alright. I'm gonna try for a second one now after all. Changed my mind, I'm not leaving. Not yet. Man, that has me so happy. Let me make sure I don't have a spent shell in here. Okay, I just want to make sure that last thing I want to do is have an empty shell in there. I've done that once before. Go to pull a trigger and a freaking empty shell in there. That's never a good thing. All right, I'm properly loaded. Safety's on. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Man, that was a beautiful cockbird too. There's 4 of them down there. There's like 2 hens and 2 cockbirds. I'm trying to sneak up on them. I don't think they see me yet, but I could be wrong. Shoot, I think he might have saw me. I'm gonna freaking sneak up on him. Right, that freaking one. I had to freaking hit him. I had to freaking hit him. The way he freaking jumped, he was hit. He had to have been hit, man. He leaped up in the air. I've had to freaking hit him. I got pulled instead of squeezed though, that's the only thing. I had to have freaking hit him, man. The way he freaking leaped in the air. I had to freaking miss him. I know he went this way. I freaking miss him, man. He freaking leaped in the air when I shot. I had to have freaking hit him. I don't see how I freaking missed that one. That thing freaking jumped straight up when I shot. There he is, there he is. Got him that time. Finally got him. There we go. Finally. I don't know how I didn't hit him this first time. He might have been wounded. Definitely got him that time. Let him finish. That's all his nerve endings. He's done. Get my bird and go home. Alright. I still say I hit him the first time, but who knows? Where is he? There he is. That one's probably got some pellets in him. The first one was a clean headshot. This one I think is gonna have some pellets in the meat. Alright, now I think he's done. Man, this bird was not easy to get. Come on. Man, it's thick in here. This is what payoff they have a dog. That's just his nerve endings. Alright, we got him. Alright, work my way back out of here. Which is gonna suck. I'm freaking beat. That freaking wore me out. Oh, man, is it thick in here? There we go, it's pheasant number 2, so we get a better view of him. I decided to stay. I can get a hold of him right. He's still really warm. Just got him. Had to chase him down the tree line. I'm out of breath. Had to give me a second. Had to go in a really deep, thick stuff to retrieve him. But I decided to stay. I figured there's more in here, and sure enough, I saw it too early, and I missed a shot. I rushed the shot because I got too impatient to sneak up on him. So I saw 2 males with 2 hens. There was 4 of them all together. I snuck up on him this time. I shot him, and I was almost confident I hit him the first time because he leaped in the air about 3 feet straight up in the air and then took off. Ran down the tree line, and then I shot him in the tree line. And then he went, and I hit him that time for sure. I knew I hit him for sure. And he went real thick stuff, and I had to go crawl through all that real thick stuff to get him. That's pheasant number 2. So that's second pheasant of 2019. I'm out of breath. I'm exhausted. I'm going back to the truck, pull the entrails out, take them home, clean them, take me a nice hot shower and a power nap. Oh, I just got lightheaded. Well, I can't shoot anymore, so boy, I'm hungry all of a sudden. That made me work up an appetite, which is weird because my stomach was starting to hurt. I feel like I had a stomach ache there a little bit from eating those peanut butter M&Ms. Well, legally I can shoot a squirrel rabbit, so I'm leaving the gun loaded. I can't shoot a pheasant, but I can shoot a squirrel or rabbit on the way out.